All right, Saturday the 24th, 4 o'clock. Just came from Lowe's back home, only 3 miles. Pulled into the driveway. As you can see, I'm in park. Transmission temperature showing at 167, 65, which is the real transmission temperature. If I cycle through to coolant, it should be showing 210, 208 as the TCM, if the TCM was recognizing that it was in park. I'm not going to turn the engine off because I do need to go somewhere. So I'm going to just go ahead and put it in reverse, back it down a bit. Put it in drive, bring it back up the driveway a bit, and get back in park and see what happens. There you go. See, it jumped up to 212, which we can confirm is the coolant temperature. And now I can switch the engine off, and I know if I restart, it'll restart. So